Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject English 2. So open your English 2 book, page number 41. Chapter 6, Bedtime. So let's read now. It is bedtime. I lie in bed and think of the fun I can have tomorrow. Now, this girl is saying that, now look at this girl. Now she is saying that it is bedtime and she is going to bed to sleep. But before sleeping, when she lie in bed, she thinks of the fun which she can have or do tomorrow. Okay? She thinks of the fun which she can have or which she can do tomorrow. Now she starts imagining, I can dance around my room. I can sing my favorite song. I can go to the playground with my friends. We can go up and down the slide, zip, zoom. Now she tells that she can dance and sing around her room. She also tells that she can go to the playground with her friends and play slider by going up and down. Okay, she is now just imagining that what can she do tomorrow while lying in the bed before going to sleep. She thinks that she can go to the playground with her friends and go up and down the slide and have fun. Now turn to page number 42. I can help mother in the kitchen. I may learn how to bake a cake. Teddy bear and I can have a tea party. Now what she thinks that? She thinks of helping her mother in the kitchen and how to bake a cake. She thinks of helping her mother in the kitchen and how to bake a cake with the help of her mother. And also tells that Teddy bear and she can have a tea party too. As you can see in this picture, Teddy bear and she can have a tea party too. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them pop. As you can see here, she is blowing the bubbles in the air and burst them. She thinks that she can also blow bubbles in the air and burst them. I can go to the zoo with father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Now I am ready to sleep. Good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Now she thinks that she can go to the zoo with her father and see naughty monkeys and baby giraffe. Okay, so all this is just imagining before going to sleep. So after imagining all these things for tomorrow, she says good night and also says that tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Okay, tomorrow will be a wonderful day. So the chapter is completed. So what we come to know from this chapter is that There is a girl who thinks of tomorrow while she lies in the bed before going to sleep. She just imagines that what can she do and how can she have fun and enjoyment in the next day. Okay, so the chapter is completed. So for today only this much. In the next video I'll give you some work. Okay, so thank you.